If you want to check whether your Samsung Galaxy A56 is original or fake, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, we are to open up our phone, and there are a couple ways to do that through your phone. So the first one is to dial star hash 06 hash. And here we'll see our IMEI, IMEI2, EID, and serial number. And grab your box and compare those on your box, right? So there it is. There it is. If all the codes are matching, it means that most likely your phone is legit. Great. So the next way is still in our phone. So let's dial star hash 0 star hash. And here we'll see our test icon. So this is service menu. As you see, you can test many things here. And if everything works correctly, right? If everything works as it should work, it means that most likely your phone is legit. Great, the next option is to grab our phone, turn it over, and if you have a new phone, right, so you shall have this sticker. Here you'll have your IMEIs 1 and 2 and serial number. So once again, grab your box and compare your IMEIs and serial numbers with the sticker. If they match, congratulations, most likely your phone is legit. The next way and the last for today is to open up your settings. So here, scroll down to your About Phone tab. Here you'll see all the information, IMEI1, IMEI2, once again your serial number. So grab your box, compare it with the one on your box, and if everything matches, your phone is original. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.